Hello students, welcome to Chetan classes. Today we are going to learn rank of matrix. Rank of a matrix. Rank is defined as the number of linear independent rows or columns in the matrix. A positive integer R is called the rank of a non-zero matrix if first one there exists at least one non-zero minor of order R of the matrix, and second, every minor of order greater than R is 0. Remarks. First, the rank of a zero matrix is 0. Second, the rank of a non-singular square matrix is equal to the order of the matrix. Third, the rank of a singular matrix is always less than the order of the matrix. Fourth, the rank of a rectangular matrix of order m cross n is less than or equal to the minimum of m and n. Fifth, the rank of an identity matrix of order n is n. Sixth, the rank of the transpose of matrix is the same as the rank of the matrix. And 7. The rank of a matrix. The rank of a matrix in echelon form is equal to the number of non-zero rows. Example, find the rank of a matrix A is equal to 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. So solution, first here we find the determinant of A. So determinant of A means determinant of 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. Now we know the formula of determinant. So 1 into 45 minus 48 minus 4 into 18 minus 24 plus 7 into 12 minus 15. So here minus 3 now plus 24 minus 21 is equal to 0. Now find minors. So minor of order 2 cross 2. Here we find this minor, this. So 2, 5, 3, 6 is equal to 12 minus 15 is equal to minus 3, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, there exists a minor of order 2 cross 2 which is non-zero. Therefore, rank of matrix A is equal to 2.